Okay, remember we are doing factorization, okay? Factorization for three terms. How we recognize the three terms? This has been said many times, huh? So 1, 2, 3, three terms. So when we know that it's a three terms factorization, we will use the multiplication frame. Okay, multiplication frame. So some of you will draw the tic-tac-toe. So please put a multiply here so that we know that the factors are multiplying. Huh? So because it's a p square, so it will be p and p here. Because p multiplied by p give you p square. Okay, now we have to decide these two number now. We have to decide these two number now. How do we decide? Because we know that 24 has a factor of 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Okay, all these factors here. We know that these factors here, okay, let me write this properly out. These factors here will add up to 10p. Will add up to 10p. Okay, and because this is a negative, so we know that it must have there is a negative 24 here. So how do you do a trial to make sure that it can become 10? So it depends on your trial and error already. So if I see, okay, 1 and 24 cannot give you 10. 1 and 24 cannot give you 10. Okay, 2 and 12 might give you 10. 3 and 8 cannot give you 10. And 4 and 6 might not give you 10. But if I were to put negative on one side and positive, because of this negative sign, it will not make it happen. So I know that the number must be 12 and 2 now. Okay, I do not write the sign first. So I will write out 12 times p. Okay, 12 times p. How I get this? Remember this one and this one? Okay, when they cross each other, it will end up here. So this part here will be, this part here, not the other one. This part here will be p times 2. It will give you 2p. Okay, 2p and 12p. I know that it must end up with a positive 10. That means this must be positive and this must be negative. Transfer the sign over. So this must be negative. Okay, transfer. This must be positive now. So when I take positive 12 multiplied by negative 2, that means this and this multiply together, I will end up with this number here, which is negative 24. Okay, which is the one that I want. See? So therefore, I know that the factors, okay, the factorization factors now will be p plus 12 and p minus 2. Okay,